Welcome, Bobcats and Bobcat families, to the registration process for the 21-22 school year. This is part 2, specifically for the class of 2024 registration for your sophomore year. We'll begin with language arts. As you were told in part 1, 4 years of language arts are required for graduation. As a sophomore, your English course choices would be English 2 or IGSE English 2. As a sophomore, your mathematics required course would either be Integrated Math 2 or IGSE Math 2. If you had chosen an higher level math as a 9th grader, then you would be selecting Integrated Math 3 or IGSE Math 3 as a sophomore. Science. We know that 3 are required for graduation, and in your sophomore year, your science required courses would either be in biology or IGSE Biology, chemistry, or IGSE Chemistry. Social studies, 3.5 credits required for graduation, along with physical education, 1/2 credit. Required courses for your sophomore year would be dependent upon your academy. If you were in the Health Science and IT Academy, you would select Physical Education 1, Semester 1, and U.S. Government Semester 2. If you're in the Air and Engineering Academy, you will be selecting U.S. Government Semester 1 and Physical Education 2, Semester 2. Foreign language. As you were informed, 2 years of the same foreign language are required for graduation. Overton High School offers you a variety of courses to select from. If this is your first year, you'll be selecting the first year of the foreign language, either Spanish 1, Heritage Spanish 1, Latin 1, French 1, or Heritage Arabic 1. If this is your second year, you will follow it up with either the second year of Spanish 2, IGSE Spanish 2, Heritage Spanish 2, Latin 2, French 2, or Heritage Arabic 2. You're required to have a wellness class as well as a fine arts class. So you'll be selecting Lifetime Wellness along with one of the required courses below, either Theater Arts, Visual Art 1, Beginner Band, Guitar, Piano. If you're in the IT Academy, you can use your Web Design 1 class as your fine arts credit. Language Arts Electives. We're going to begin looking at just elective classes. You could select Journalism Publication if you're interested in the yearbook, but it does require an application and requirements that must be met. AVID, as well, would require an application process. Creative Writing, Introduction to Cinema Studies, and Speech Debate are open to anyone. Science electives. You may choose either Ecology or Nutritional Science. Social Studies electives. There's Contemporary Issues, Psychology, Sociology, Philosophy, Global Religious Studies, African American Studies, and our new AP Human Geography elective. In the Visual Arts electives category, we said that Visual Arts 1 was a prerequisite to the other art classes. You could either select after that IGSE Visual Arts 1, Visual Arts 2, or Visual Arts 2 Photo. The Performing Arts electives, many of which require auditions, would be Marching, Concert Band, Wind Ensemble, Beginning Orchestra, Piano 1, Piano 2, Guitar 1, Guitar 2, World Percussion, Theater Arts 1, Introduction to Theater Tech, those interested in the play, drama, acting, and those interested in the musical, advanced acting. We have Cambridge electives. Those of you following the Cambridge Diploma, you would be selecting ACE General Papers, ACE Thinking Skills, ACE U.S. History AS Level. There are some career and technical education electives. Computer Applications, which is open to anyone, Robotics and Auto Systems as well, but it is limited to 25 students, and therefore Robotics and Auto Systems is primarily open to seniors and upperclassmen. So let's say you've selected the Engineering Academy. You would select Introduction to Engineering as your first pathway class if you are in the engineering design. If you're in the mechanical, electrical, plumbing design pathway, your Foundations of Construction course would be your first pathway course. Health Science. If you've selected either diagnostic services or therapeutic clinical services, either way, your first pathway class will be Health Science Education. If you've selected the Information Academy pathway, coding, you would be taking AP Computer Science Principles as your first Academy course. If you selected the networking pathway in the IT Academy, you would be selecting IGSE Computer Science or Computer Systems. If you selected the web design pathway in the IT Academy, then Computer Science Foundations would be your first pathway class. If you selected the Interdisciplinary Research Academy and the Advanced International Diploma pathway, then your selection would be ACE General Papers and ACE Thinking Skills for your 10th grade pathway courses. If you've selected the Interdisciplinary Science Research pathway, then ISR 2 would be your pathway course. If you've selected Marketing Management, Dual Credit Intro to Business would be your first pathway class. If you selected Human Resource Management, Dual Credit Introduction to Business would be your first Academy pathway class. This is a very important process. Counselors consider this to be integral in your success as a student in high school. The first thing we're going to ask you to do is to fill out your registration form here online at this website. And as you do that, you will then be asked to select an individual appointment time on your registration form to review your selections individually with your counselor. We look forward to talking to you and working through this process with you. Thank you.